Move right now, guys. Move. Move. Move, guys. Move. Move.
Anong laro yan, babe?
Ah.
Anong laro yan?
Ah. Oh, yeah. Oh, hi.
Whistle ka.
Hindi ako na-whistle. Kung ano to balin, hala, mamatayan ako.
Gusto mo, babe? Hinaan mo daw yan? Help kita. Oh, may German din, babe, si Kugay sa'yo.
Pa,
Delta.
panagin niya ay mukha mo? Pwede ka na see me jumping? Can you see me jumping?
Ay!
Can you be careful, okay?
I have a rocket.
Shoot it at the... Can I shoot out? But where are you? Ah!
Shrimps.
When it, I can see you.
Babe! Oh.
No! Kill him with my friendship. Ah! Ow. Ah!
Babe, babay si Kuya. Babe, fall back. Go back. Ano tayo, babe?
Naglaan ko yan eh. Patay lang ako.
Go back to the trench. We will group. Stay here, babe. Parang whistle na si Kuya. Attack, okay?
Okay.
Huwag ka lang na mag-whistle.
Hindi ako na-whistle. Hindi ako na-whistle. Kuda spot ba to?
One, two, three.
Attack!
Let's go! Woohoo!
Ay! Kung attack mo yun, ako attack ko ito. Nung na to.
Boom!
Thanks, Kuya Nate.
Oh, kamyon ni ka. Adon.
Kuya, pinamili.
Amerika tayo.
Rice, nalating ayan. Attack! Kuya, may bomb ako. Ganito. I can use mo yung bomb ko kung low ka, okay? Kuya, I am right behind you. Wait. Oh, come on. Kuya, I will right back. Don't shoot me, alright? I'm gonna kill that Buddhist. Get all the victims! Oh my god!
Tangible trench.
Oh no, I don't know. Oh yes! Kuya, may nagsasabi, I got somebody. Okay, guys. I thought you all you want to see this video? Like and subscribe, and don't forget this video. So watch it. Bye.